Hey guys, once again, this is Wednesday, not Thursday. So we're going to be doing multiplying 3 digits by 2 digits in practice. Now, do not freak out about the number of problems. Okay? Don't. We're going to do the first row together. Okay? Just let's worry about the first 5 right now, and then we'll worry about the bottom in a little bit. Okay? So let's look at the first 5. Number 1 is 640 times 15. So 15 is a pretty easy number to multiply by because it breaks up into 10 and 5, so it's really not that difficult. So 5 times 0 is 0. Remember, if you need to, you can use a different sheet of notebook paper. You can use a different sheet of notebook paper to write down your problems, and that's fine. Or if you write small enough and you want to do this. But you are going to get to a point like later on in middle school or high school where you're going to have to write in the space provided. So I have 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry my 2. 5 times 6 is 30. Plus 2 is 32. Okay, mark those out. I'm not going to use them anymore. Put a 0 right there because we are multiplying in the tens place. So 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 6 is 6. So now all we have to do is add 0 and 0, zeros, 6, then 9. So 9,600. All right. 653 times, 658 times 23. So let's go ahead. 3 times 8 is 24. So that's 4, carry my 2. 3 times 5 is, what is it? It's 15 plus 2 is 17. Plus a 1. 3 and 6, that's 18. Plus 1 is 19. Remember, put that 0 down because we are moving to the tens place where the 2 is. So we're not going to use any of these numbers. We're going to focus on the 2. 2 times 8 is 16. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 2 times 6, is 11. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay, 4 and 0 is 4. 7 plus 6 is 13. 9, 1 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And then the 1. So 15,134. I normally don't write that sloppy, but I'm having to have the paper straight, and usually the paper's crooked for me to write. Okay, so number 3. I have 742 times 58. Now, as you can see, we always start in the ones place. We always have our digits lined up, and then you add your partial products. Now, here's another vocabulary word that you're probably going to hear pretty soon. When you have a multiplication problem, so like the 742 times 58 gives you an answer. Both of these numbers are known as factors. Okay? The answer, is a product. So when you read or hear that, that's what that means. You have a factor, which is the part of the multiplication problem that you're multiplying by, and then your product is the answer. Okay? So I have 742 times 58. Okay? Eights can be a little tricky, but just stick with them and you can get it. 8 times 2 is 16, so put my 6 down, carry my 1. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 1 is 33. Yeah, 7 times 8 is 56, plus 3 is 59. 0 right there. Okay, 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 2 is, let's see if y'all can answer that one. That's right, 37. We add 6, 3, 9, 1 is 10. That's 12, plus 1 is 13. And 4. Number 4. Number 4 is 676 times 27. So just like before, you start in your ones place. 7 times 6 is 42, so 2's right there. Carry my 4. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 4 is 53. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 5 is 47. Is that right? Yes, it is. Okay. 0 here because I'm no longer needed a ones place because this right here is in the tens place. So basically it's like you're saying I'm multiplying by 20. Okay. So 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Plus 2, 5, 12, 8, 1. Okay, 735 times 36. All right, once again, we are going with the ones place first. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 3 is 21. 6 times 7 is 42, plus 2 is 44. Put my 0 down there. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 1 is 22. 0, 6, 4, 6, 2. All right, so now, listen carefully. I do not want you to stress out about this. You are only responsible for completing the odd numbers. So that would be, and please circle these as I do, number 7, number 9, number 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. So that leaves you with 7 problems left. You only have to do 7 of them. So if somebody turns this in and they're all completed, that tells me that they didn't watch the video. And guys, it's very important that we watch the videos. So, good luck. If you have any questions about this, feel free to email me on Wednesday. Yeah, it's Wednesday. Wednesday, and also on Wednesdays, remember, I also have the office hours for Google Meet. So if you need that, or if you just need a Google Meet during the week, email me and we can set it up. Okay? I will talk to y'all later. Have a good day.